are you? I wanted to share something with you. If you have a lot of equity in your home and you don't know what to do with it, there are a couple of options. I want to talk to you very briefly about home equity lines and home equity loans. So I met my banker the other day and I asked her how business was going, and she explained to me that people are still pulling out equity out of their properties via a line or a loan. So basically the difference between an equity line and an equity loan is that an equity line is usually funds that are being used for either a renovation in your house or to consolidate debt. And then what happens is that the person ends up paying this over a short period of time. A home equity loan is a loan where you're pulling out your equity and you're going to be paying off that loan over a longer period of time. For example, to buy a vacation home or an investment property. Now, you can only do this if it's a primary residence. If you pull out up to $250,000, which yes, a lot of people nowadays have that amount of equity in their properties. If you pull up to $250,000, this bank specifically, Regions, does not charge you for closing costs. Anything after that, then you would be responsible for closing costs. Now, she did say that the monthly payment basically is about 1% of what you pull out. And the best part is that the process is fairly easy. It's fairly fast. It's about a 30-day turnaround, just like a normal home loan. But what is great is that this is for people that, for example, purchased a while ago and have really good interest rates on their property, and they want to pull out their equity without having to refinance the property. So again, let me repeat that. You do not have to refinance. You do not have to sell your home in order to pull the equity out. There are options such as the home equity loan, where essentially it's like a second lien or a second mortgage on the property that is the money that you're borrowing. So if this is in line with something that you want to do, please reach out to me. I will also post her information. She is local here to where I live, but there's definitely a lot of resources available in your area, and it is possible to pull your equity out of your property and purchase a secondary home. Even though interest rates are high, this is an avenue for you to do that. I hope you found this helpful and you can share it with anyone else. Bye.